The new upcoming flagship smartphone Huawei P40 Pro turned out to be the royal camera phone. At the end of the month, Huawei will introduce the new flagship P40. In anticipation of this event, a poster appeared on the network showing not only the design of the smartphone, but also different colors in which it will be available. It seems that the Chinese manufacturer decided to abandon the gradient colors, which he himself had previously introduced into fashion. If you believe the Chinese informant Yash Raj, then the Huawei P40 will be presented immediately in 5 colors. The company will be painted the flagship in orange, purple, grey, black and blue-grey. The render also clearly shown the main camera unit with 5 sensors, one of which is equipped with a periscope lens. The smartphone will have 2 telephoto, one will be provide 3x optical zoom, and the second will be responsible for 10x optical zoom. At the top of the DxOMark rating today are the flagship smartphones Oppo Find X2 Pro and Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. However, there are numerous sources that real leader will be announced very soon. It is about the Huawei P40 Pro. A well-informed insider under the nickname Rodent950 published on his page on the social network Twitter the detailed characteristics of the main camera Huawei P40 Pro, which will install 5 image sensors. The main module will contain a 52 megapixel Sony IMX700 sensor in a 1.8-inch optical format with 1.22 micron pixels. Additionally, installed is a 40 megapixel Sony IMX650 sensor in a 1.5-inch optical format with an ultra-wide-angle lens. In addition, the smartphone will have 2 telephoto. One will provide 3x optical zoom and the second will be responsible for 10x optical zoom. Finally, the 5th module will be a time-of-flight camera. It is worth noting the Huawei Consumer Business Group CEO Richard Yu recently confirmed that the Huawei P40 and P40 Pro will be unveiled on March 26th. The event will be taken in Paris. The official price of the smartphone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.